every single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today we're gonna be getting into this quite easy makeup tutorial and a slight bit of a hair sort of like styling, so stay tuned. And to start off this makeup look, I'm gonna be going in with the NYX Radiant Glow Concealer in the shade called Cappuccino. And for the eyeshadow today, we're gonna be using the Bobbi Brown Single Eyeshadow, and basically this one is in a shade called Cocoa, sort of like a dark brownish shade. And basically here I'm just applying some glue, and then I'm gonna go back in with loose glitter, and I'm just gonna apply it in that area, making sure that you're actually very careful not to poke it or apply it in your eyes, otherwise you're gonna have a messed up day or a messed up week. So you gotta be careful whenever you're applying glitter. You have to focus and concentrate, because one wrong mistake, hey, yeah, you're gonna have problems. So guys, just be careful with that. So I'm just making sure that I apply the glue on the rest of the underneath my eyelash area, and of course apply some loose glitter, and after that I'm gonna apply some lashes off camera, and that will be it for the eyes. Elf Healthy Glow bronzing powder, and this one is in a shade called Sunkissed. I love it so much because it has a little bit of gold tint to it. And then now for priming my face, I'll be going in with the LA Girl primer spray, and this one is actually good because it keeps my face hydrated, especially during these winter seasons. And I actually also find that it actually gives me that little that dewy look that I always want to go for, especially when it's cold like now and your face is always matte, so it just gives me that little dewy look that I want, just to kind of like amp my makeup look basically. And then for the foundation, I'll be going in with the MAC MatchMaster Foundation, and of course I'm applying it with my damp beauty blender, basically because I love using beauty blenders. Reason being that it doesn't leave brush streaks on my face, which I so hate to have to deal with, especially if you're in a rush to get out of the house. That's the last thing you want to deal with. And then for the concealer, I'll be going in with the Smudge Perfecting Concealer. And of course the shade that I'm going to be using is in a soft beige, and I'm basically going to be applying this in those areas that I want to highlight and basically help to stand out a little bit more. And of course here I'm just applying it, basically focusing it mostly, correcting that eyeline a little bit more. That's why you see I'm like close up. And of course those are areas like underneath my eyes, and of course the bridge of my nose. And I believe these are the only two places that I'm going to be highlighting today. I just love the formula of this concealer. It's just perfect, and it's thicker and it's not runny. I just love it so much, you guys. I must say that when I got it, it was at a very good bargain price, and I actually don't regret it because it is quality. And I hope they haven't discontinued it, because I just want to go and buy as many as I can, because it's pretty affordable and it lives up to its expectation. It's just above and beyond. And although it's just a new product in the market, I just hope that it stays within the market, because it's pretty affordable and it's quite good. Done applying it, I'm just going in with my damp beauty blender, the same one that I used to apply my foundation. I'm basically just gonna use it to blend out that concealer, and also making sure that I actually even it out. So I just find that using this beauty blender, it actually works a ton way better than if I had to use a brush. And you know why? Again, the brush strokes or the brush streaks, I just can't deal with them. Sometimes I just don't have the time or the patience for it. So now I'm just going to be using both sides, the top side as well as the other butt size. Sorry for the language, but yeah, the bottom part of it, just so that I can be able to blend it out evenly and not just spread out the product. with the LA Girl lip liner, and this one is in a shade called Chocolate or Chocolate, whichever way you pronounce it. And I'm just gonna use it to outline my lips basically. And of course I kind of feel like it gives me this like contour of a lips, or am I fooling myself? And of course for the lipstick I'll be going in the elf lipstick, and basically this one is in a shade called Nostalgic or Nostalgic. Cool pronunciation problems. And as you know, girl, I'm into all that nude pink type of look. And then that's it for the lips. Now I'm just quickly jumping into the hair, and of course I've got my wig on. Now it's just time to just give it a slight curl, just a little bit of curls here and there, just very loose curls. And of course I'm just going in with my curling wand, and I'm just giving it random curls, as if I have not said that enough. Yes, random curls. And basically, let me just give you a little bit of a story regarding this gray hair that you see it on here. It just happened accidentally on the other side of my hair, so I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna roll with it, because I did not have time to like wash it off or whatever. So I just went ahead and took the very same face paint that went on it accidentally, and I just decided to do it on this very side, on the other side of the hair basically. And then here I'm basically going in the got to be glued spray, and I just spritzed a little bit of it on my brush, and I basically just started creating some funny looking baby hair likes. And then because your girl did not have time for nonsense, I just wanted quick and it's done. And that's about it, you guys. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. And until next time, bye bye.